I can't come to my video. I can't do.
How old are you?
I'm 4.
Okay. Can you count that 4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. What else would I say?
I can't come to my video.
Um, when are you going to school, Be?
I put right.
Where do you want to go to school?
Sambog.
Sambog? You want in Sambog or in Tagbilaran?
Sambog.
Sambog, Corelia?
Yeah.
You prefer Sambog, Corelia?
Yeah.
Oh no, but it's too far at work.
No.
B. It is. Who will be the one who take care of you?
Only me.
No, it's not. It's not possible.
Come on now.
Oh, just talk English, not vernacular.
The numbers sa nila numbers
What number is that?
S ni is ni.
And that's letter S. Yeah, you're right.
Why? Why?
You're right. Yeah. How about anything? Do you know this letter?
6.
Oh, that's number.
6.
But that's not number 6. You know, guys, CJ is not good at letters pa. He doesn't, we still doesn't teaching him. He learns on his own.
W.
No correction. We did not teach him.
Hey, this is my Jeep. Yellow
And
racing.
he also learned English only using YouTube or YouTube
English
Kids.
tapos still kay gun.
Yeah, but can you speak English?
No.
Just a few English. Few words.
Man, this is my racing Jeep. Yellow Jeep. Yellow racing Jeep. Green yellow racing Jeep. Green racing Jeep. And red racing Jeep.
Good job.
Ang ka-fruit na ko. Umudagan ng iya. Guys.
Okay, guys, that's for today. Bye-bye.